Hello. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Stop pressing stuff.
I'm zooming out.
This is go! Okay, so hello everyone. Hello everyone. Welcome to the GOBY Show. Today, we're going to be making food. As in, food. So, you come over here. Russ, come over here, bro.
Oh my god. Wait.
So, first thing you're going to need is beef Rayman noodle soup.
Maruchan. See that? This is Maruchan. Anyway.
So then, come on.
Come on.
You're supposed to put it next to your thing of ribs. What?
We got ribs.
You grab your random, extremely clean, just randomly yellow Tupperware bowl.
Yeah, because we're black.
Open it. Leave it on the table. Wait till this water gets hot enough for you to see the steam. We don't not wasting soup around here. So,
You just eating the soup? Hold on.
I'm not wasting soup. Bro, that's just like dishwater.
Yeah.
Like dirty dishwater.
It's beef for you.
Come here. Do y'all see the smoke?
That's smoking!
Come here. Damn. Wait. So, since this water is hot enough, at least three, we're just gonna put it under the water. Trying to, oh!
That's hot!
You know when the soup's hot enough, you know when the soup,
I
heard you zoom in. You know when the soup's hot, the water's hot enough, if you start opera singing off of the burner. If you start opera singing. So you bring this hot 500 degrees bowl over to your microwave. Make sure there's water in it.
Microwave.
Open your microwave.
Opening microwave.
Take out the thingy-maboob in the microwave.
Taking out things from the microwave.
Put the soup in microwave.
Putting soup in microwave. Dropping soup in microwave.
Oh no.
And now
You hit 30 seconds until you get the right time, which is 30 seconds. So,
that's really good. Like,
we ain't cutting this. What's wrong with you? No, they about to watch us cook.
okay, but
So, yeah. Towards me.
Oh.
So, I realized y'all didn't hit the like and subscribe. So, I'm gonna have to strangle you with this paper towel.
Oh, really? You didn't press like and subscribe? And you think I didn't notice? Yeah, I'm bringing the folks all here. Yeah, I'm the cameraman. You didn't know I was here, did you?
Oh, looks like the food's ready.
Oh, the food's ready! Yeah!
Good thing I ain't gotta strangle them with a paper towel. Okay. So, you grab the bowl.
Grabbing bowl.
Make sure you don't forget your Michael Jackson techniques.
Ow! Ow!
And you grab your
beef?
burger flavor
Your
stuff. Come over here. Cameraman!
Hey!
Towards me.
Hey! What's up, man?
Covered.
And now we wait.
Cut to commercial breaks.
Alright, good job. But you really need to get more, of that stuff, you know.
I'm gonna smack you. Okay. We're gonna cut to commercial break now. Cameraman, end it.
Really?
Yeah.
Did you start yet? Breaking news! People have started drowning in Honey Nut Cheerios, which is pretty. They're not really drowning. They're suffocating in Honey Nut Cheerios. And this is because of America's obesity problem.
Now you're obese!
They start diving in the Cheerios because they just want a snack. And they'll probably eat the entire pool of Cheerios that they just have in their backyard conveniently. But And we'll be back with Joshua on sports.
As y'all can see, I'm here with sports. My specialty is atomic belly flops. You ended it?
Huh?
Did you end it?
No!
Oh, I'm gonna just do a flip.
Do a flip! Oh, that's crazy! And we'll be back! You got some nice jugs there, huh?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, but they're empty, so that sucks. Surprise! You just lost $100 million!
Hey, bro, how'd you get in my house?
I took it personally.
Hey.
Do you struggle?
Okay, it's recording.
Do you struggle with having too much money? Or call 777-777-7776. Give me your money now. And we will take everything you don't want and we'll do absolutely everything with it. Nuke a kitten? Who cares? I don't know. Drop kick a deer? I don't know. Donate to charity? Nah. But you can do anything you want. Put in a recommendation and charity is not nothing. Trust me. Huh? What?
Call the number down below.
Oh yeah. Call 777-777-7776. That and give me your money now. It's time to give me your money.
No, I'm getting your money. Okay. What? Hey! Yeah, give me that money. I'm stronger. I'm smarter. I'm better.
I don't care. Is the food ready?
Yeah, bro.
Okay, let's go.
After we just cut from commercial break, you notice that your soup is still smoking, but it's fine.
It's fine, yeah.
So you're gonna come over here. No, you fine right there. Stay there, cameraman. Hey, right. You're gonna get this fork.
Big shiny fork.
Wash off the fork.
Wash that fork, boy.
Then you're just gonna. Come here, ASMR, bro.
Shh, take a listen to this.
Bro, back away, bro.
You told me to ASMR.
Why are you even in my house?
I'm doing my job.
Didn't?
That's the beef.
Oh no, this is never mind. So put it in the garbage.
You notice how it looks like absolute doo-doo in the water? That's what you want there. It looks like someone took a duty.
Then we're gonna keep stirring it up.
Don't eat the food yet. Presentation, stupid. Did you pick up the Axis powder on the table and just lick it off?
Yeah.
Dude, you're fired. I don't care if you're sure or not. You're fired. Get out of here.
Okay, bro.
Leave! A wild Joshua in his natural habitat. I need the protein!
Yeah, go ahead and end the video.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here. You have a great home security system. Or do you? Hey, like and subscribe. Forgot to say it in the video.